guys, this is actually my first tutorial on Dialux Evo. A lot of us actually having problems on positioning LED strips into curves and bands like this alphabet here that we need to backlit to determine the effects, to determine the distance and so on. Most LED strips, the IES files comes in, the shortest one that I can find is probably about 100 mm and so on. And even if you use a editor that actually edit it, it's still just one straight line. So how are you going to actually do that after experimenting for so many years? Alright, finally I discovered that it is possible to work this way. Alright, of course you need to actually have all the extrusions, the models and things like this been done up, like what I've done already. Let me just disregard all the results, so you can see from here, from the inside, the concave positioning for the LED strips is already there. Right. So let me just take away all this LEDs that's already been placed to show you exactly how it's been done. Just give it a couple seconds. I'm gonna pause the video for a while. All right. So the LEDs already been there, and we need to actually just delete it. Alright, done. First, you need to actually look for an IES file like the one that I've actually done up and form it into a chip. For this example, we are looking at a 3014 chip module. Alright, set it up as an example, pull it out. It's going to be here somewhere. Set it to the direction that you want the LEDs to face. But bear in mind, we're doing on a plane, and therefore, you need to imagine this lying flat on the ground. Use the model and trace out a guideline. Let me show you. Now, this is the internal one. I'm going to use the external one, external glow, as an example for you. So once you trace out this guideline as a hologram, you just have to select the chip, go to copy and arrange, copy along existing guideline, click it on, determine the distance between the chip. For my case, is actually 16 mm. Right, follow the curve, keep it at 0 for this case, apply, and there you have it. These are the chips that's facing the right direction. Next thing, of course, you're going to move it to position it into the light box itself. But because there's a lot of chip, the system tends to have a little bit of a laggy. That is okay. Alright, spare it, rotate it, make sure it's actually at 90 degrees. But again, I repeat it, it's going to be a little bit laggy because each chip is considered as a light source. Right, so we have, it should be at 0. Right, it's running. Then go into your side profile, have a view, make sure everything is alright. This looks okay. Let's move into position first. Roughly about that. Alright. Let's go to plan view. Again, it's a bit laggy now. Alright, we have the plan view. Something looks a bit odd now because of the position. So let's go to side view again. Right, not this view, this view. Yes, this is the view that we're looking at. Okay, what we're going to do is basically just get the rotation correct. Switch off so you can actually see better. Move it in. Right. Rotate to position. Make sure it's a straight line that you want. Okay, let's check again from the other view. Is it in? It is in. Now some of this chip might actually go out of place. You can actually still further adjust it. Like for example, this few chips here. Down a little, up a little. There we are. Should be okay now. On this few chips here, that is our place. So it's actually very important for you to get the guideline correct as near as possible, but minor adjustment is always expected. Alright, move it. Alright, so from here, you just hit on the calculation button. You should be alright. Just give it a while. So recap is important to actually get the guidelines correct, so you can actually put it in without much of a problems. So the call, all right. So this works with curvy, wavy kind of curve, cove, backboards. It does solve a lot of problem. I hope you guys will actually enjoy it and have fun. I'm just waiting for the results to come in just to show you, but this is just an example, it's not perfect. I still have the internal portion of the B that we need to add on some lights in order to give the very sharp effects. So, alright, here we go. So there you have it, the glow. And you can actually see very precisely how it's been glowed from the inside, right, and the outside. So that's about it, boys and girls. Have fun. See you next time. If you have any questions or any comments on this presentation, you may leave in the comments column for us. If you need some help, whatever it is, we try our best. Right? It doesn't mean that we'll definitely be able to, but we will try our best. This is Christian from Lux Consultancy, signing off.